Here we are in the MLS. There's the link to Dotloop. I click and look where it brings me. And if I create the loop, it does not have MLS number. I click create loop.
Here's the address, but it doesn't take me directly.
I would have to go into the view detail area and manually add the MLS number into the MLS area. So I have to click back, copy it, and paste it. Then save. What used to happen was we used to come in directly from that link in Matrix, and it would bring us to this screen selection and to import the data. That's not happening automatically now from the Dotloop link. This should take us directly to this.